Swimming enthusiasts need precise performance tracking in every stroke. The best fit tracker for swimming offers accurate lap counts, heart rate monitoring, and waterproof durability, ensuring you stay on top of your goals while improving technique efficiently in the pool. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Garmin Forerunner Swimming Fit Tracker. The Garmin Forerunner Swimming Fit Tracker is a versatile smartwatch designed for athletes who want precision tracking both in and out of the pool. Its built-in GPS and wrist-based heart rate monitor ensure accurate tracking of pace, distance, and overall performance during every workout. The AMOLED touchscreen display is vibrant and highly responsive, complemented by traditional button controls that make operations simple, even while swimming. Weighing in at just 43 millimeters, this lightweight design provides comfort for all-day wear, whether you are training for a marathon or swimming laps in the pool. Battery life is remarkable, lasting up to 11 days in smartwatch mode and 19 hours with GPS active, making it ideal for extended training sessions without frequent charging. Personalized daily suggested workouts adapt based on performance and recovery, and Garmin Coach, along with race-adaptive training plans, provide guidance tailored to your goals, ensuring you remain challenged but not overworked. The Forerunner supports over 25 built-in activity profiles, including running, cycling, HIIT, and strength training, allowing a comprehensive view of your fitness progress. Morning reports give a detailed overview of sleep, recovery, HRV, and weather conditions, helping you plan your day with insights into your overall readiness.
Number 2. COROS Pace 3 Swimming Fit Tracker. The COROS Pace 3 Swimming Fit Tracker is designed for athletes seeking a lightweight, high-performance GPS sports watch that excels in swimming and multi-sport training. With its ultra-slim 11.7mm profile and featherweight 30-gram design, it provides exceptional comfort for continuous wear without distraction. The 1.2-inch always-on transflective touchscreen ensures clear visibility even under bright sunlight, while the multiple backlight modes let you customize the display for activity or navigation purposes. Battery life is a standout feature, with up to 38 hours of continuous GPS tracking and 24 days of daily use on a single charge, ideal for long-term training and endurance challenges. COROS has implemented dual-frequency satellite technology for highly accurate GPS tracking, ensuring precision even in urban environments or areas with high-rise obstructions. The watch also measures air pressure and elevation gain, adding valuable metrics for outdoor workouts. The integrated route planner allows users to design custom paths in the COROS app and sync navigation directly to the watch, while the breadcrumb navigation feature keeps your location in view, preventing detours during training. COROS Pace 3 supports an extensive range of activity modes, including running, cycling, swimming, strength training, trail running, and winter sports, making it a true multi-sport companion.
Number 3. Garmin Instinct 2 Swimming Fit Tracker. The Garmin Instinct 2 Swimming Fit Tracker is a rugged, durable smartwatch built for those who push boundaries in and out of the water. Water rated up to 100 meters, it is shock and thermal resistant, featuring a fiber-reinforced polymer case and scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass for reliable protection during demanding workouts. Its long-lasting battery can run up to 28 days in smartwatch mode and 30 hours in GPS mode, making it an ideal companion for extended outdoor adventures or multi-day swim training sessions. Instinct 2 is equipped with a 3-axis compass, barometric altimeter, and support for multiple global navigation satellite systems, including GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo, offering accurate navigation and tracking even in remote locations. Health monitoring is comprehensive, tracking heart rate, sleep, pulse ox, respiration, and more, giving users insight into recovery and overall fitness trends. The device comes preloaded with built-in sports apps for swimming, running, biking, and strength training, while advanced training metrics like VO2 max help optimize workouts. Smart notifications and Connect IQ compatibility ensure you stay connected to your phone without interrupting your training. The Garmin Instinct 2 Swimming Fit Tracker balances ruggedness, functionality, and precise performance tracking, making it suitable for athletes who demand reliability, long battery life, and detailed fitness insights during both indoor and outdoor swimming sessions.
Number 4. SENBONO Swimming Fit Tracker. The SENBONO Swimming Fit Tracker combines convenience, style, and versatility, making it ideal for swimmers and fitness enthusiasts alike. With Alexa built in, you can manage reminders, control music, and access millions of skills hands-free, enhancing usability during workouts. The smartwatch supports clear Bluetooth calls, powered by a stable Bluetooth 5.3 connection, so you can stay connected while swimming, training, or on the go. Its 1.83-inch HD screen delivers vivid colors and sharp details even in sunlight, while customizable watch faces allow personalization. With over 120 sports modes, including swimming, running, cycling, yoga, and more, it provides real-time monitoring of calories burned, distance covered, and activity duration, helping users stay motivated and informed. Health tracking is comprehensive, with sensors monitoring heart rate, steps, calories, sleep quality, and stress levels, giving actionable insights to improve wellness. The SENBONO Swimming Fit Tracker is IP68 waterproof, allowing swimming, showering, or training in heavy rain without concern, withstanding submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Overall, this smartwatch combines high-tech features with practical durability, making it an accessible and versatile choice for anyone looking to track swimming and fitness goals effectively. Number 5. Garmin 010 Venu Swimming Fit Tracker. The Garmin 010 Venu Swimming Fit Tracker is a sleek smartwatch designed for swimmers who value performance and style. Its bright AMOLED display provides clear visuals, while battery life extends up to 5 days in smartwatch mode and 6 hours with GPS and music active. The tracker offers extensive health monitoring, recording energy levels, respiration, stress, sleep, heart rate, and even menstrual cycles, allowing users to understand their overall wellness comprehensively. Music playback is seamless, supporting Spotify, Amazon Music, and Deezer, with Bluetooth headphones enabling phone-free listening during workouts. The watch supports over 20 preloaded GPS and indoor sports apps, including swimming, running, yoga, and more, with easy-to-follow animated workouts for cardio, strength, yoga, and Pilates. Compatibility with both iPhone and Android ensures smart notifications and connectivity, helping users remain in control while training. The Garmin 010 Venu Swimming Fit Tracker provides accurate metrics, comprehensive health insights, and entertainment options in a stylish and third-able smartwatch, making it ideal for swimmers seeking a combination of tracking, guidance, and convenience in one device.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.